Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, Good afternoon, everybody. We are we are from Group 5, consists of Iksan Ananta, Fabio Shekera Hadja, and Sheikh Shauki Alfa are gonna to present about our marketing plan of our business. That is PT Asal Seia Sekata or Rendang ACC. On the first part of our marketing plan is about business overview. For a business overview, will be presented by Iksan. Iksan, please, time is yours.
Okay, I'll explain you about business overview tentang ACC. Uh, the first is business background. Next slide, please. Business background. The ACC rendang industry was established in Padang, West Sumatra since March 23, 2003 and has now changed its name to PT Asal Seia Sekata, which stands for ACC in accordance with date number 10 date 23 October 2017 with notary Nasrul SH in Padang. Initially, they only made rendang according to order and only made one type of rendang, namely dry pulmonary rendang. As time went on, consumer began to increase and receive order frequently. So ACC began registering the home industry licensing or in Indonesia now as PIRT, making ACC's trademark and packaging rendang so that rendang could be used as a typical souvenir in the Ranah Minang. The second is the purpose. The purpose of PT Asal Seia Sekata marketing rendang product in packaging is to provide an opportunity for anyone who wants to enjoy special food from the realm of Minang. This means that anyone can enjoy rendang in this package, no matter whether he or she is domiciled in West Sumatra or outside West Sumatra. Because the obstacle for people outside West Sumatra, if they want to taste the rendang, are the limited place to sell and the different in taste if they are not native Minang people. Cook it because the recipe for cooking rendang is a recipe passed down from generation to generation in order to maintain the authenticity of the taste of the rendang itself. And the business scope is PT Asal Seiyas Kata. The first is processing and marketing of wet beef rendang. The second is processing and marketing of shredded beef rendang. Next is processing and marketing of wet beef pulmonary rendang. Uh, uh, the next is processing and marketing of dried pulmonary rendang, processing and marketing of egg rendang, processing and marketing of sweet potato rendang, processing and marketing of tuna rendang, processing and marketing of rendang okan, processing and marketing of chicken rendang, processing and marketing of rendang jengkol, processing and marketing of eel rendang, dried beef jerky, socket beef jerky, dendeng batoko, various kinds of chips such as onion chips, potato chip, balado skin chips, and various skin of Minangkabau typical chili sauce. Uh, Back to moderator again.
Okay, thank you, Iksan. For the next, we will discuss about the sales and marketing plan of Rendang ACC. The first one is about industry sector description. In this part, Rendang ACC is one of local business in West Sumatra that produces traditional culinary that is beef rendang as main product. Currently, in Indonesia, the developing of local products have to be explored, included culinary as one of identity of every culture in Indonesia. So, Rendang ACC present to explore the local business from West Sumatra. There is rendang that also has been culinary symbol of Indonesia. As a development of product innovation, ACC produces lokan or clam, wet rendang, and tuna rendang. Now, ACC has produced 8 types of rendang that have obtained SNI certificate as well as other snack products. Various raw materials for processed rendang originating from local products with prime quality are handled and produced by Good Rendang Processing according to the Good Rendang Processing Technical Guidelines applies. So, for the promotion, ACC often participates in exhibitions both in the city of Padang. So based on the reason, Rendang ACC believe that Rendang can become a bigger culinary industry in Indonesia and has a good business opportunities to be developed in Indonesia. And the next is about marketing mix. In the marketing mix, as we know, the first one, product. The product that is produced by Rendang ACC is beef rendang as main menu. However, rendang ACC also produce several kinds of innovation of rendang and specific snack from West Sumatra. And from local products with prime quality are handled and produced by Good Rendang Processing. Um, this, there are several products that Iksan said before. There is shredded beef rendang, beef pulmonary rendang, dried pulmonary rendang, egg rendang, and the others product. The next is about price. Rendang ACC put affordable price for every menus. They put the price based on the production cost and raw material usage. Let me mention it about the price. For shredded beef rendang, the price is about 90,000 rupiah. For beef pulmonary rendang, is about 92,000, and dried pulmonary rendang is about 92,000. So it's based on the cost production and also raw material usage. And for promotion, Rendang ACC use social media, Instagram account, and official website to introduce and publish their product. Uh, in the social media and website, there are several informations about history of Rendang ACC, the quality of product, product process, the availability of product, and order description, and also the testimonials from Instagram account. And Rendang ACC also listing in Shopee and Tokopedia as marketplace in Indonesia. And the next is about place. Rendang ACC is located in Muhammad Yamin Street, very center of Padang City. So Rendang ACC believes that it's one of strategic place to get many consumers of Rendang ACC because there are many mobilities in there. So the local society and the tourists in from other regions or abroad who go for vacation and find the tourism destination to West Sumatra and get the specific culinary of Sumatra Barat. And one of that is rendang. And about the people, Rendang ACC has at least 30 employees, included the staff, waitress, and cashier, who always are given the training about the service quality, staff skill to produce a best quality of culinary. The training for employee is very important to improve the quality product of Rendang ACC and can give a best service to every consumers. So Rendang ACC can be competitive as local business in Indonesia by a good quality of human resource development. The training is commonly conduct in 1 month. But the next is about the process. Now, ACC has produced 8 types of rendang that have obtained SNI certificates as well as other snack products. And the rendang processing technical guidelines from the government regulation applies. This quality policy is socialized to all employees and its sustainability is reviewed continuously. And the last P in marketing mix about physical evidence. The physical evidence of an ACC is about rendang for the physical appearance of an ACC shop itself. It's formed as attractive as possible with a clean building layout, displaying good pamphlets in the shop section, and for product layout arrangement, neatly arranged on the shelf, and consumers are comfortable to shop at Rendang ACC. And the last one is about market potential analysis, segmenting, targeting, and positioning. The target market of Rendang ACC is the local society in West Sumatra and also the tourists who visit West Sumatra as one of tourism center in Indonesia and also famous with delicious culinary. So perhaps the culinary product offered by Rendang ACC can get pay attention from the visitors and the support from local society in West Sumatra. For segmenting, Rendang ACC expect that the buyer can comes from different or outside of West Sumatra or from abroad as international sales. For positioning, Rendang ACC creates a brand image as one big Minang's culinary center in West Sumatra with name Rendang ACC or PT Asal Seia Sekata. All right, that's all for me. The next will be presented by Said. So Said, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Fabio. Next, I will explain about operating plan of business Rendang ACC. First, technology and production process. Technology and process production currently Rendang ACC is one of the home business that produce the largest rendang in the city of Padang. And it is no longer a secret that if tourists go to area of Padang city, they will usually always stop by at the Rendang ACC outlet. With so many enthusiasts of Rendang ACC that the company must be able to always meet the needs of these tourists. The Rendang ACC company is currently carrying out the production process manually. Even though it is done manually, Rendang ACC can always fulfill the number of requests that come, namely by cooking it manually at the production house by worker who already have standard and according to guidelines set by the company. The raw material for various process rendang come from local product with prime quality, and this quality policy is socialized to all employees and continually review for suitability. Some of the production process are material from supplier, recipe that has been blend, packaging, distribution to consumer. Some of the equipment use 15 units of stove, 5 unit of refrigerator, 5 units of freezer, 3 unit of seasoning mixer, 20 sets of commercial cookware. Next, the second human research plan. Human research plan is an ACC company that are several plans that are carried out to help the company recruit, maintain, and optimize the allocation of personnel need to achieve business goal. In the assessment itself, each of the position over already has certain standard. For example, the admin who take care about everything about report file must be at least a bachelor degree. For the cooking team, part of housewife who are experienced in the world of food. And one way the assessment can be helping the surrounding environment is by giving priority to underprivileged employees and the existing employees relative or family. Even though most of the SSA employee are housewives who are good at cooking, the SSA company always conduct training for incoming and existing employee to always maintain the quality of the SSA product. At least once a week, SSA conduct the training. Okay, that's all from me. Next, continue by Isan.
Okay, I'll continue the presentation about executive summary. Next slide, please. The first is the capital. The capital from ACC is come from the owner's personal capital, and the total capital is 81,500,000 rupiah. Next slide, please. And this section is BEP. The estimated minimum average sales a day is the first is various package rendang sell 75,000 rupiah times with 20 pieces, 1,500,000 rupiah. Rendang egg in packs 35,000 rupiah times with 5 pieces, 175,000 rupiah. Sweet potato rendang in pack 28,000 rupiah times with 3 pieces, 84,000 rupiah. Package tuna rendang 74,000 rupiah times 5 pieces, 370,000 rupiah. Rendang lokan in packs is 70,900 times with 10 pieces is 709,000 rupiah. Chicken rendang in pack is 74,000 rupiah times with 10 pieces is 740,000 rupiah. Rendang jengkol in pack is 54,000 rupiah times with 5 pieces is 270,000 rupiah. Rendang eel in packs is 55,000 rupiah times with 3 pieces is 165,000 rupiah. Sock beef jerky in packs is 69,000 rupiah times with 5 pieces is 345,000 rupiah. Dried beef jerky in packs is 120,000 rupiah times with 5 pieces is 600,000 rupiah. Dendeng batoko in packs is 159,000 rupiah times with 3 pieces is 477,000 rupiah. Various package in chips is 28,000 rupiah times with 15 pieces is 420,000 rupiah. And various typical Minangkabau chili is 45,000 rupiah times with 10 pieces is 450,000 rupiah. The total is 6,305,000 rupiah. Estimated profit of 10% of sales is 630,000 rupiah and 500. Estimated monthly profit is 30 times with 600, 30,000 and 500 is 18 million 950,000 rupiah. Estimated profit per 5 months is 5 times with 18 million and 915,000 rupiah is 94 million 94,575,000 rupiah. From the estimation, it can be concluded that initial capital will be covered after PT Asal Seia Sekata market this product for approximately 5 months, and for 5 months it still generated a profit of uh, 13 million and 75,000 rupiah, assuming relatively stable sales each month. Next slide, please. And this section is for conclusion. Currently, it's clear that culinary business is one of the potential industry sector that must be developed and explored in Indonesia to improve creative economy in Indonesia through local culinary, especially for West Sumatra that has been a culinary center of Indonesia and as tourism center that can be useful to get many consumer of that through visitor of tourists so based on their reasons. Rendang ACC present to develop one of best culinary in Indonesia that is rendang and any kind of specific snack from Minang culture and it's very potential business for rendang ACC to maximize the opportunity and the profit from this business. Okay, that's all for to me. Back to moderator again.
Okay, thank you, Iksan. All right, that's all for our presentation. We have, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.